Private Limited. Today's topic is wiring of 2-wire transmitter and 4-wire transmitter. In the first I will tell the wiring of 4-wire transmitter. After that I will tell the wiring of 2-wire transmitter. There are actually 4 wires in a 4-wire transmitter, so it is called a 4-wire transmitter. And 2-wire transmitter has 2 wires, so it is called 2-wire transmitter. There is a supply in the same wire, there is a signal in the same wire. First we'll explain the connection of the 4-wire transmitter. Auxiliary supply has to be provided separately in 4-wire transmitter. Auxiliary supply may be different in different transmitters. Instead of 24 volts DC supply in 4-wire transmitter, 230 volts AC can be supplied. Suppose we have taken transmitter of 24 volts supply. Here we put an MCB. When the MCB will be on, the SMPS will on and the SMPS will convert 230 AC volts to 24 DC volts. So here 24 volts will be available in this bus. We will connect the positive wire from the plus 24 volt bus to the positive wire of the 4-wire transmitter's auxiliary supply. And connect the negative wire from the minus 24 volt bus to the negative terminal of the 4-wire transmitter's auxiliary supply. Now this transmitter got 24 volt supply. In other words, transmitter received auxiliary supply. Now this transmitter will produce 4 to 20 milliamperes output. Here we are not showing the input wiring of the transmitter. The output of the transmitter will be 4 to 20 milliamperes. Transmitter's output will be 4 to 20 milliamperes. So how will its wiring be with the PLC? Its wiring will become straight. The positive wire of the transmitter will be connected to the positive wire of the PLC. And the negative wire of the transmitter will be connected to the common of the PLC. The 4-wire transmitter's output wire will be directly connected to channel 0 of the PLC. One of its wires was attached to the input and the other to the common straight. The output of the 4-wire transmitter will go to the PLC. The PLC will sense it. Let's talk about 2-wire transmitter. How will be the connection of 2-wire transmitter? The 2-wire transmitter supply and the 4 to 20 milliampere signal will go to the PLC in the same wire. Suppose we gave it 24 volts from here. The transmitter got 24 volts supply. The negative wire of the transmitter will become the positive wire of the PLC. Means will go to the input of PLC. The negative wire of the PLC will be directly connected to the SMPS common negative V. That is, on channel 0 we have wired 4-wire transmitter and on channel 1 we have wired 2-wire transmitter. So in this way the wiring of 2-wire transmitter and 4-wire transmitter is done. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our video then please like and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, then do tell in the comment. Thank you.